Forests covered much of the landscape. Streams flowed through untouched valleys. Wild animals roamed freely across the ancient Deccan Plateau. There was no Bengaluru. There was not even a village. But one day, the first people arrived. They had traveled far. They carried simple stone tools. Everything they needed to survive depended on the land around them. As the day began, some would search for water. Others would track animals through the tall grass. When an animal was hunted, stone tools helped them cut meat and prepare food. They shared food, rested, and prepared for another uncertain day. Seasons passed. Children grew up knowing these hills and valleys. The first settlers had shaped the land. Now the rulers were coming. The age of dynasties.